You were never meant to be good. You were meant to be yours. If you've spent this month breaking contracts, detoxing obedience, and reclaiming your voice, this is where it all comes together. Because spiritual sovereignty isn't just being rebellious for the hell of it, it's living in your own frequency without apology. And today, we're going to talk about how to anchor that so you don't snap back into the old patterns when life gets loud. 'Cause it will. Hey love, I'm Melanie, your witchy mother. I help women who are deconstructing religious control, spiritual gaslighting, and good girl guilt come back to their own knowing. And if you've been here all month, then you know we haven't been doing light work. We've been burning obedience at the root. And today we're closing that portal with intention, and I'm going to show you how to hold your frequency as your new normal, not just a moment in your life. So what does freedom is a frequency even mean? Freedom is not just an idea, it's an energetic state. You felt it before, right? That moment where your body exhales and your soul whispers, "Oh, this is mine." But most of us were not taught how to hold this feeling. We were taught to regulate it, suppress it, or spiritualize it out of existence. Freedom became a reward instead of a birthright. Let's flip that back to the way it's supposed to be. Have you ever felt like you made so much progress in your healing, and then suddenly you're over-explaining everything again? Saying yes when you mean no, second-guessing your intuition? That's not weakness, that's resonance regression. Your field is learning a new rhythm, and your nervous system is trying to keep up. What's a situation where you still feel like you abandon yourself and it's just out of habit, and you're like, wait, what the fuck? I healed that. And you might be thinking, but I don't feel rebellious. I'm not trying to fight everything. Good. Sovereignty is more than swinging the pendulum. It's about coming home to your center. Or you might be thinking, I still feel scared. You can feel the fear and still be free. Freedom is not the absence of fear, it's the refusal to obey it. Integration isn't passive, it's ritual. And if you did the Good Girl Detox or the toolkit this month, don't just close the PDF and move on. You've cleared, now seal. Light the candle, say the invocation, write the affirmation, anchor the truth into your body. I am not here to obey. I am here to remember. If that line hits you, it's from the final ritual in the workbook. Use it, own it. So let's go deeper. You've detoxed obedience. You've collapsed the contract. You've reclaimed your yes. Now it's time to live like you're free, to integrate, anchor, and start walking as the version of you who doesn't ask for permission anymore. Check out Thursday's post on Your Witchy Mother in Substack for the deep breakdown. Grab the toolkit if you haven't. It's the foundation for holding your new frequency. And let me know, what does spiritual sovereignty feel like for you now? Is it subtle? Is it loud, embodied, messy? Let's name it, let's seal it, and let's live it.